And there's Grandma and Mama supervising. Hi, Mommy. Hi, Sophie. You're not feeling too good? You got boo-boo on your paw, huh? Yeah, we're gonna have to soak it in the water to help you out on that. Huh? Sofie. Sofie. She won't even look at me. She's so mad at me. Sofie. Princess. Oh, Sofie. There she is. Here's the look. What's wrong with your mouth? Are you okay? Oh, it's just the way you're lying down. Okay. Kind of looks funny for some odd reason. You okay in here? Oh, you got a bump on you. No, you don't. Okay, you're fine. What are you guys doing in the washroom? Huh? Lolla? You kind of are crooked on your mouth. Let's see from this side. Oh, it's the same. Okay, you two. Taking a break, right?